you want a career in the professional world of performance, be it ballet, jazz, musical theatre, film or television, we at Doreen Bird College of Performing Arts seek students with talent, ambition and individuality who are committed and hard-working. Here you see an actual audition at the college, one of the many held regularly during the autumn and spring terms for entry in September. The yearly student intake is both highly competitive and limited in number to around 30 girls and up to 15 boys. This ensures a personal and caring approach throughout training. A varied panel of staff watch a ballet class, limbering and jazz, assessing physique, musicality, technique, presentation, and above all, potential. A career in dance demands a flexible body which must be both supple and strong. All candidates have a physical examination prior to the audition.
We really have deliberately kept small and never ever taken anyone that we feel there isn't a job opportunity for at the end. So we are looking for individuals. We can make mistakes, we can lose talent because we don't see it, we're not infallible. We can have people who, for one reason or other, don't develop as we think. But this is our criteria at the moment.
We've shown you some elements of an audition. What happens now?
Morning starts with body conditioning and ballet classes. For the full 3 years of training, this daily discipline will continue. Technical classes are arranged so that students of the same standard may study together, even if in different years.
Have to do it, have to work hard at it to get better at jazz.
Male students have separate ballet and jazz classes, weight training and theatrical gymnastics. Russian character dance is another strong element in the first year.
I just wanted to jazz dance and commercial theatre and musicals, and then I hadn't done much classical dance before I came, but then I started doing a lot more classical dance and finding out how different ways I could use my body.
Students have the opportunity of taking Royal Academy of Dancing examinations at the highest level, advanced and solo seal, plus all the major ISTD examinations in ballet, modern theatre dance and tap disciplines. For those wishing to pursue a classical career, the college has achieved notable successes in placing both male and female dancers in British and continental ballet companies. The highlight of our performance calendar is the annual summer production, and every student takes part.
What about jazz? We are continuously aware of ever-changing trends and dance styles. Visiting choreographers and professional dancers give a wide spectrum of jazz, body conditioning, and contemporary classes. Choreographic workshops culminate in an annual competition. We are fortunate in being only 12 miles from the centre of London, enabling visiting professionals to give workshops and classes, and students to go to the theatre whenever they can.
I came here from Italy 2 years ago and I haven't done much modern or jazz, and I really like it. I just won the prize.
Prizes can be won in our yearly performance awards for solos in ballet, pas de deux, jazz, character, tap and song.
Students are encouraged to develop their drama and singing skills, and those with special abilities have additional coaching in the second and third years. We have our own dance, theatre and education company, combining vocal harmony, dance and drama.
My dance, theatre and education programme is a lot different from Freya's, because mine is Commedia dell'arte, and we take that to primary schools and perform to young children.
A dress rehearsal of two gentlemen of Verona, with costumes and set designed and built by Croydon College Theatre Design Department. Related subjects include dance history, anatomy and makeup.
Coming from the outside of it, you need a tiny bit of highlight just on the top of the skin flesh, a really pointed, snooty sort of nose. if you've got quite a round nose naturally, it can really make you look different.
We have our own college diploma, which includes associate ISTD teaching examinations in ballet, modern theatre dance and tap.
To give that really fleshy, wet, just been cut kind of look.
Voice and drama are essential for everyone.
And there's my barrage balloon.
Oh, yeah. What's it say?
Don't say that. That's the worst thing you can say.
It's dark.
It says Bovril.
Oh, Bovril.
It's meant to blaze out over London.
Surprised I ain't got your name on it.
What do you mean?
He's gone. Well, I know that he's gone. Heavens, I'm not blind, am I?
Then why do you think everybody else is?
I don't understand your point. Oh, stop all that crap, Mona. He's run away, flew the coop, gone.
He couldn't run away. He doesn't even know what it means. He doesn't know how to do anything without me to help him.
Cecily, I have not mentioned anything about a headache.
No, dear Miss Prism, I know that. But I felt instinctively that you did have a headache. Indeed, I was thinking about that, and not about
Group
the
acting
German lesson
examinations are
that
taken in the first and second years.
You are not inattentive.
And is your name really John?
I could deny it if I liked. I could deny anything if I liked. But my name certainly is John. It has been John for years.
Gross deception has been practiced on both of us. My poor, wounded Cecily. My sweet, wronged Gwendolen.
And some lucky students benefit from taking part in collaborations with film and television colleges.
There is just one question I would like to be allowed to ask my guardian. An admirable idea. Mr. Worthing, where is your brother Ernest? We are both engaged to be married to your brother Ernest. So it is a matter of some slight importance to us to know where your brother Ernest is at present.
Tap is always a popular subject in the timetable, even when students come to us with little experience. This is a dress rehearsal at the Churchill Theatre, Bromley.
Many students have ambitions to appear in musicals. Every year, a full-length musical production for the third years is mounted in our own studio theatre.
We are a well-matched pair of mean, rascally, pettifogging robbers, scoundrels.
Rogues? Yes.
You may have ambitions to be part of a classical ballet company.
I also have a letter, girl. A letter, yes. And
Or
It's
perhaps
got
to
a
be a
question
television
in the letter, and
presenter
it's
for a
you, and it
children's
says,
program.
What's Gail's favourite film star? And that's sent in from Paul Fraser from Milton Keynes.
I think it must be Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
must
yuck.
be Tom Cruise.
Yuck, yuck, yuck. OK, fair enough.
Well,
Tom
if you
Cruise
want
it
to
is.
write in with your letters for your birthday or whatever you want, the address to write into is Meltdown, P.O. Box 4...
Or to feature in a review. Maybe you just want to sing and dance in theatre or wherever future opportunities arise. We seek students with talent, ambition and individuality who are committed and hard-working. From these, we develop the successful professionals of tomorrow.